so many things I can learn and I want to learn. I couldn't pin it down to just one thing.
I would love to learn about all the people that are in here. I would love to learn about their countries, their lifestyles.
I hope to learn new cultures and also just the basics of modeling and how the industry works, and just to compare it with my own country and to just learn new things.
Welcome to Prague. Welcome to the World Final of the Elite Model Load.